Welcome my dear student in this new video. Now in this video we discuss the new topic, that is storage classes. Now storage classes क्या है? So this is define the scope for the visibility or accessibility and the lifetime of the variable. It shows the visibility and accessibility of the defining something, that is the storage classes, and that storage classes will be divided in terms of the four types. There are four types of storage classes, that is auto, register, static and external. We will discuss each and every topic one by one so that we get a clear idea what exactly it means. First one is the auto storage classes. In auto storage classes, this is also called as a default class. In this default class, the variables declared inside the function, and in terms of the comment, if you can see that the scope and the lifetime restricted to a function, and there is no any initialization. After that, the next one is the register storage class. In the register storage class, the variable is always stored in CPU register, and it reduce access time also. In comment part, the same as auto in scope and lifetime. Then after that, there is a static storage class. In that, the local variable lifetime same to that program, and in comments lives throughout the program. Accessibility depends on the place of declaration. In external storage class, the variable accessible to all the functions in a file and all files in a program. In comments, the accessibility to any function within a file and to any file within that program. These are the four different storage classes. That one is auto, register, static and external. Next is the operators. That the first operator is arithmetic operator. In the embedded C, there are 5 types of arithmetic operator will be used. First is this operator is plus, which performing the addition operation, and it adds the variables or the numbers. Next one is subtractor. Subtractor operator will performing the subtraction operation. It will performing the subtraction operation which subtract the variables or the number. The next one is the multiplication operator. This multiplication operator will performing the multiplication which multiplies the variables or the number. The next one is division. It divides the variables or the numbers. Then after that, percent, which are called as a remainder. It finds the remainder after the division. These are the 5 operators, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the remainder. There is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These 4 are the common in a maximum term. Extra one is the remainder. This operator will be used in a embedded C programming. Next one is the logical operator. If you go in detail of the logical operator, you will find that there are 3 logical operators will be used for performing the basic logic operation. There are 3 basic logic operation: and, or and not. So first operator is the logical AND operator, and this operator will be used as the double AND symbol, like this one. This is the operator for performing the logical AND operation. In logical AND, it performs a logical AND operation where the output is true if both operands are the true. If the while performing the logical AND operation, if the both operands are true, it means if both the operands are 1, its output will be 1. So this is all about the logical AND operators. This logical AND operator is one of the logical operation. The next is the logical OR operation. For performing logical OR operation, the operator is this logical OR operator will be used. This type of it's performing the logical operations. The perform logical OR operation, its output is true if at least one operand is true. If at least one operand is true, its output is 1. It means if you add 0 0, its output is 0. Otherwise, all else condition, output of the logical OR operator will get 1, and this operator will perform the logical OR operation. Next one is NOT, logical NOT operator. This logical NOT operator will performing the NOT operation. It means it performing the logical negation. Operand complemented. Operand complemented means if you apply the 1, you get a 0. If you apply 1, you get 0, and if you apply 0, you get 1. So this will performing the logical NOT operation. So these are the 3 different logical operations that is performed in the embedded C. Next one is the relational operator. In embedded C, there are total 6 relational operator will be used for performing the relational operation, and basic of that one is less than, greater than, equals to, and 3 again are less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, and another important one is the check inequality. Now first one is, this one is the less than, equals to. Next one is greater than, less than, greater than, check the equality. Then after that, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, and the next one is check inequality. These are the 6 operators which are we use for showing the relation between the 2 numbers, showing the relation between 2 operands. In that case, this relational operator will be get maximum time used in terms of the embedded system. Okay, so thank you very much.